Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream in Roblox by growing a garden. First, you'll need to enter a game that allows both gardening and crafting. Look for games with farming or tycoon elements. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, from planting your first seeds to serving delightful frozen desserts. We'll cover everything you need to know to become a master ice cream gardener in your favorite Roblox experience. To begin, find a suitable plot of land within your chosen Roblox game. Head to the in-game shop and purchase seeds for fruits that make great ice cream flavors, such as strawberries or bananas. Plant these seeds carefully in your garden plot. Remember to water your plants consistently. They typically need watering every few minutes of gameplay. Once your crops are fully grown and vibrant, harvest them to gather your fresh ingredients. With your fresh produce in hand, it's time to make some ice cream. Locate the ice cream machine or crafting station in your game. You'll typically need to combine your harvested fruits with other basic ingredients like milk and sugar. Select your desired recipe from the available options. The machine will then process these ingredients, usually taking a few moments, to produce your delicious, custom-flavored ice cream. You're almost ready to serve. Now that your ice cream is ready, it's time to sell it. Place your delightful creations into a display case or on a serving counter. Determine a reasonable price for each scoop or cone to attract virtual customers. As players purchase your ice cream, you'll earn in-game currency. Use these earnings wisely to expand your garden, purchase new seeds, and upgrade your ice cream making equipment, growing your sweet business even further.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.